Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making the best tuna sandwich. This is an oldie we've been enjoying since childhood. It's quick, affordable, and a great high protein meal to make. So let's get cooking. In a bowl, we'll combine a can of tuna in water that has been well drained with half a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and we'll mix well, breaking the chunks of fish into small pieces. To this, we'll add red onions. Although used raw most of the time, this type of onion can still be strong in taste. So, to mellow it out, check out this trick by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Then a quarter cup of diced celery, followed by a pinch of ground sea salt and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. The next ingredient is the debate of the century, Miracle Whip. Before lifting your nose at it, read the blog to see which ingredients go in. If you want to stick to mayo, go ahead. It's your sandwich after all. We'll mix until everything is nicely coated. Next, we'll add a little bit of smoked paprika. Also, if you want, you can add some fresh chopped dill. We'll stir once more and put the mixture between two slices of toasted bread and enjoy as is, or add some lettuce and tomatoes. And my friends, this is our tuna sandwich. Super easy to make. This comforting, healthy sandwich can be enjoyed for lunch or dinner and customized to your liking. I hope you give it a try soon. And be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!